Good afternoon. I'm Heidi Connect in the TV6 newsroom with your on-the-go headlines for Wednesday, February 5th. We'll start off with weather tonight. There's a first alert day continuing until midnight as freezing drizzle and freezing rain will be scattered across the area through the evening and into early overnight hours. It looks as if the area of main concern will be around the Metro Quad Cities and points south and east. Minor ice accumulations of a few hundredths of an inch to isolated tenth of an inch amounts are expected. This will adversely affect the evening commute as a light glaze will cover untreated roads, sidewalks, parking lots, and elevated roads and bypasses. Stay up to date with the weather team by downloading the KWQC First Alert weather app. The Scott County prosecutor is defending her decision not to file charges in the Davenport building collapse. County Attorney Kelly Cunningham says no crimes were committed before the building fell on May 28, 2023, killing 3 people. Her decision has been met by anger by survivors. Cunningham told TV6 Investigates Matt Christensen that she had no choice but to follow Iowa law, and in the case, the facts don't meet the standards that would allow her to bring charges against anyone, including building owner Andrew Wold. In fact, she said evidence shows that Wold was taking steps to fix the building before it collapsed. Her decision was based on a Department of Criminal Investigations probe. DCI's final report did not make any recommendations on whether to file charges. She said in her role as county attorney, her job is to look at objective criteria and said she doesn't make decisions based on how she feels emotionally. Her decision closes the criminal investigation. But civil lawsuits brought against Wold remain. One survivor's lawyer told Matt Christensen yesterday that they're determined to hold Wold financially accountable. He's reached out to Wold's lawyers but have not received a response. You can see the entire interview with Cunningham on our website and news app. And it's been 1 month since 21-year-old Jakarta Jackson was shot and killed by a Rock Island police officer. Now, Police Chief Tim McLeod is speaking out about the officer's actions. It happened on January 5th when Officer Brett Taylor was conducting a traffic stop on a vehicle flagged for an active warrant, possible weapons, and eluding. When the officer approached the vehicle, Jackson got out of the car and ran away around a vacant home before entering his running car again, then drove forward while the officer was still trying to get him out to make an arrest. The officer shot Jackson 5 times while falling backwards. The Rock Island County State's Attorney cleared Officer Taylor of any criminal wrongdoing, but the Rock Island Police Department just completed their own internal investigation. McLeod said Officer Taylor faced great bodily injury or death and acted appropriately when he fired his gun. Today, a huge donation was given to the River Bend Food Bank to provide millions of meals to people in need in the Quad City area. Hy-Vee presented the food bank a check for almost $656,000. It's the result of a 20-month-long campaign with Feeding America to support people struggling with food insecurity across the Midwest and here at home. The president and CEO of the River Bend Food Bank is appreciative of the overwhelming support from Hy-Vee. And that wraps up your on-the-go headlines for Wednesday, February 5th. In the TV6 newsroom, I'm Heidi Connect.